Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you that how you can fix any Windows update error in Windows 10 operating system. So after updating your Windows, so you might see some errors on your Windows 10 machine. So I'm going to show you that's how you can fix those errors. So for fixing this error, firstly you have to go to search bar and then type here Windows update settings. Okay, go to Windows update settings. Okay, here as you can see that they're saying that you are up to date. Make sure you are up to date in your Windows update as well. And then in the right side you will see an option called OS build info. Okay, go to OS build info. Okay, in Windows specification you have to you will see an option called installed on, which for me is 22 May 2022. So this is my installed updates. So you have to check these options whether your update is active or not. So for checking this, you have to go to the file manager, then go to the C drive. So C drive means your Windows operating system install drive. So for me it's local disk C. It might be different for you. So go to Windows. Okay, in Windows folder you will see an option called software distribution. Okay, as you can see that the software distribution, my date modified is 22 May 22. Okay, so this date is similar to this date, so you have to make sure these options. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the solution. Okay, for solving this you have to go to again the search bar, search here troubleshoot settings. Okay, click on troubleshoot settings. Okay, then you will see an option here is additional troubleshooters. Okay, go to these options. Okay, here you have to find Windows update. Okay, this is the additional updates, Windows update. Okay, you will see an option, clicking on Windows update you will see an option run as troubleshooter, run the troubleshooter. So in case you are seeing any error, you have to click on run the troubleshooter. Okay, after clicking on that it will take 5 to 7 minutes to fix the errors. Then you have to restart your computer and the fix will be solved. So this is how you can fix any error on Windows update. So I hope this will help you a lot. So thank you guys, thanks for watching.